Are we rolling? Yes, we are. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I am going to be finally sharing with you guys, well, I have shared about this line before last year, but I have gotten some more pieces recently that I just love. I'm gonna be showing you guys some pieces that I picked up recently from Walmart's. Yes, Walmart's. Their line called Free Assembly. It is a sustainable clothing line that is sold throughout Walmart. I believe it's just online, maybe some select stores, certainly not the store near me. I feel like this hair is not really working. I did a review a few months ago on this line. Loved my pieces from them. I picked up a few more that are more like spring themed, although today is gonna be a high of 81. I do have the window open. That's probably not helping, but if you hear like sounds and wind and birds and stuff, I do have my window open. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 pieces, and one of them I'm kind of on the fence about. So I will still show you that piece because maybe once I try it on and see myself like in the camera, maybe I'll feel differently about it. I don't know. Again, Free Assembly is sustainably made and they do use like organic cottons and such. And I just kind of find it funny the fact that I'm buying these pieces from Walmart and they are as cute as they are. And I have gotten so many compliments on some of these pieces and they just do not believe me when I tell them that I got these pieces from Walmart. So anyways, that was a 7-minute intro. Let's get into the pieces. First piece that I want to share with you, I actually got these quite a long time ago, and these are their wide leg cropped jeans. And I do have a little stain on the front. I'm not like the biggest white jean lover. Like it really depends on my mood. But these are, I would say they're not totally stiff and they're not super soft either. They're kind of like a good in between. The only thing that I do not like about these pants are these tags here. They are so like scratchy, and I'm not gonna lie, they do make it very uncomfortable to wear. But the jeans are super flattering. These pants I do love. I think they could be a very nice spring staple in your wardrobe. So these are what the jeans look like, and they are called their crop wide straight jeans. And I believe I had to get these in a size 2. I feel like they are still a little snug like in the leg area. These are what the jeans look like. I feel like they are a perfect crop on me. I am 5'4", so if you are taller than 5'4", they're gonna be too cropped on you. For some reason, the way that these pants run, like their jeans, they seem to run a little bit smaller. Keep that in mind before purchasing. These aren't too high rise, but I wouldn't call them mid rise either. They do come right below my belly button, so I would call these a high rise, but not super high. Okay, I will say the other thing about Free Assembly is that their pieces go so fast. One moment I'll look on the site and there are 5 sizes. The next day there's like 1 left. And I don't know if it's because they have a low inventory. They go out of stock so fast. So I don't even know if any of these pieces that I'm gonna share are gonna still be in stock. We'll see. I'm gonna save the 2 pieces that I love the most for last. Next up is this very fun floral shirt. I'm kind of kicking myself that I did not get an extra small. Even though this shirt still looks good on, I feel like I could have done with an extra small rather than a small. It does have like little slight gathered sleeves. I don't know if I'd call them puff sleeves. It does have buttons going down. It's called their camp shirt. I do love this. I think this will be really pretty, like tucked into some denim shorts or some jeans, like some high-rise flare jeans. I think that'd be really pretty. So this is the button-down shirt. And it's so comfortable and breezy because, you know, it is still spring, so you do want to wear maybe a pair of jeans and not shorts, but you want to wear something lighter up top. This shirt is perfect for that. Looking at it on, I don't know if I need an extra small. This is really cute. I love it. I don't have many red shirts. Actually, I don't know if I have any red shirts. I do have a skirt this color or like this pattern, and there's a temperature warning on my camera. It's not, what? Why is it doing that? And I feel like the color looks really good on my skin tone personally. I like the buttons a lot. They have like that pearlescent reflective look on them. This next piece I'm I'm just not sure of. It is this dress here, and I did get it in an extra small. It's like this prairie style dress. It's like an empire waist dress, and I just don't know if this style of dress is flattering on me, but I do love how lightweight it is. I feel like it's a perfect springy summer dress. Oh, and this also does have some buttons. I didn't have them buttoned, but it does have buttons going down just like the top part right here. This was $18. I can't remember if I got it in sale for $18 or if it was actually $18, but anyways, they're constantly having sales. So I did get this for $18, and the camp shirt I got for $12. I'm just not sure how I feel about this dress. I don't know. I kind of feel like a frump in this dress. I do like how comfortable and loose it is, but it's something about the weight, about like this empire. Oh, I don't even have it buttoned. Oops. Something about like the empire waist I'm not a fan of. Even though I do feel like I belong in Pride and Prejudice with this dress, it does have that feel. I'm just not sure if I like it. I am wearing it with a pair of sandals that I would probably pair with the dress if I did keep it. This is gonna be the type of thing that sits in my closet and I just don't pick up, and I'm gonna regret why I bought it. So I think it's going back. This next piece I absolutely love. I have been looking for a jacket like this for a very long time. When I saw that Free Assembly had one, I was so excited. I feel like you're not gonna be able to see this until I really put it on, but this is what it looks like. It's very soft, but still a durable material. This just screams spring to me. I don't know, it like paired with a pair of wide leg cropped pants and mules or something. I feel like this is just so beautiful. It's a really pretty navy color, and I just can't believe how comfortable this jacket is. This is an extra small, right? Yes, I did get this in an extra small, which I normally am an extra small in jackets. I've gotten so many compliments on it already. I love that little detail. Don't know why, but I love it. I got this for $25. Okay, this jacket, you guys. I feel like this really kind of pulls the whole thing together. I love this whole outfit right now. First of all, I mean, how pretty. Like, how pretty are these buttons going down with the belt tie? I love it. And I've been looking for something like this, and I found it, and I'm so happy. I paired this outfit with some mules, some woven mules. Like, how good is this jacket? I've worn this so many times already. It can really be worn with anything, like any type of jean, shoe, you name it. Also, the fact that it is this navy color is just so versatile. It has this like these cool lines going across. A little touch of red lipstick, and this outfit is perfect. Lastly, this is my all-time favorite piece, I think, in my entire wardrobe. There were a few of these that I found on Poshmark that I was going to purchase, and then for some reason decided to look at Walmart again, and they had this, and it was $36. My camera literally dies as I am revealing the jumpsuit. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I got this full denim jumpsuit. I think it's called a boiler suit. This is their femme utility jumpsuit. It is so perfect. Like, I can't even tell you how much I love this jumpsuit. First of all, it's so soft, and for a denim, like, this does not feel like their denim that they use for their jeans. It's much softer. I love the neckline. I love the buttons. I love how they're this like tan button that kind of stand out. It has a tie for the waist, so you can really cinch it in, and it looks very flattering. These gathered sleeves, which are again very flattering, and my favorite part is a wide leg bottom. I love that larger hem line. Like, I love how it's chunkier. It has pockets in the back. I'm not even kidding. Like, when I wear this, I would not be able to tell whether it was from Lucky Brand or Madewell or Walmart. Like, there are like so many shoe options that you could wear with this jumpsuit that would look so good. Can you believe my battery died once again as I was going to reveal the jumpsuit? Like, maybe you don't like full denim jumpsuits, but I do, and this is perfect. The sleeve length is perfect, and it's very feminine with like this slight balloon sleeves at the end that is kind of more feminine to me. I'll leave the top 2 buttons unbuttoned. You can get like glimpses of my necklace. You can wear pretty much any shoe with this jumpsuit. Mules, sandals, you name it. But these red leather boots with this jumpsuit is like perfection. So let me put these on and I'll show you. It's so good. They have these like wider legs and wider bottoms, and the legs have a lot of room in them, which I personally love because it makes it so much more comfortable. This is literally like the most comfortable jumpsuit, and it's just so cute. It does have pockets in the back, which I don't know if you can see, but like they do kind of stick out because I do have it slightly more like cinched in, just because I want it to be like as flattering as possible around my waist area. I don't know what it is about a full denim jumpsuit like this that I just love, and especially too with the tie waist and of course the flared leg bottom. I totally forgot they have this in a full white color, which that to me is even more like spring, because white is very springy to me. So you are like a 5'4", this jumpsuit will hit you perfectly in the ankle area. A lot of jumpsuits like this, they're either way too cropped or way too long. And this is just a 10 out of 10. Again, I just can't believe that all these pieces are from Walmart. I highly recommend that you guys check out Free Assembly. They seem to always have like 1 or 2 new pieces pop up each month, and they're constantly having very good sales. I'm hoping that these pieces are still in stock. Make sure to keep checking back to see if it randomly pops back up, because that's what I've found with Free Assembly so far. So make sure to tag me on Instagram if you do purchase anything. Well, that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.